Hi, this is Mark from Rublon. I'm going to show you how you can protect remote desktop web access logins with phishing-resistant Rublon Multi-Factor Authentication using a FIDO2 Security Key. FIDO keys are phishing-resistant because the private cryptographic key never leaves the device. Each authentication session is unique and tied to a specific application. I open the remote desktop web access login page and enter my username and password. Now Rublon prompts me to authenticate using a FIDO2 security key. I insert the key into the computer's USB port, enter the PIN. I touch the key to confirm the login, and I'm logged into the remote desktop web access portal. Rublon supports a variety of other authentication methods, including mobile push, phone call and SMS, email, as well as TOTP passcodes. Enables secure access to networks, servers, endpoints, and applications using modern MFA. Go to Rublon.com and start a free trial of Rublon Multi-Factor Authentication.